Hello everyone, I'm Katie, bringing you another episode of AFI's DIYs. Today I'll be showing you how to make a facial toner. It can make a great addition to your product line as it's easy to make and can be beneficial to your customer's skin. Here's a recipe. The supplies you'll need are a bowl, pipette, and a mixing utensil. The ingredients that you're going to need are 84% or 50 milliliters of liquid coconut oil, 8% or 5 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 8% or 5 milliliters of fragrance. Today I'll be using a pink grapefruit fragrance. It smells so refreshing. You can choose any fragrance you want as we have thousands of fragrances here at our library. Make sure you read the IFRA limits on any fragrance you choose. This is a very easy product to make. First, add your fragrance to the coconut oil. Mix it thoroughly. The oil will act as a great moisturizer and will soothe your skin. Then add your hydrogen peroxide to your solution. Mix it well. Then let your ingredients settle for about 5 minutes before you package. Don't worry if it bubbles because it'll clear as it sets. There you have it, your very own facial toner. All you have to do is add it to a cotton round and put it on your face for about 2 minutes and then rinse it off. We made this product for about $1, can be sold wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $5 to $6. To learn how to make an exfoliating body scrub, make sure you click the link in the description to see how we did it. Thanks for watching another episode of AFI's DIYs. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with our other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.